Hello YouTube, how stress affects the body. The shock of the first days of the war, pain, fear, round-the-clock stress, threat to life, severe fatigue, often exceeding human capabilities, the loss of homes and loved ones, this is another invisible weapon that has a destructive effect on us, like a time bomb. We all react differently to war, each of us has our own reserves of health, reserves of strength. The shock, which is replaced by prolonged stress, a constant feeling of anxiety, disrupts subtle biochemical processes, triggers cascades of hormonal and neurotransmitter imbalances that affect the body's response. How stress manifests itself when reserve capacity is depleted, check if you have this. Headache, difficulty falling asleep, frequent awakening and reading the news. Decreased performance, motivation, increased fatigue. Fussiness or lethargy. A constant feeling of fear, jumps of thoughts, a feeling of helplessness. The inability to relax and rest during sleep. Digestive disorders, diarrhea, constipation, dry mouth. Lack of appetite or constant overeating. Chest pains, palpitations, cold extremities, sensation of heat in the body. Cravings for sweets, fatty foods, salty foods, alcohol, cigarettes, and the like. How to counter stress. Despite the situation, we need to make every effort to prevent the development of prolonged stress, as this can lead to problems with the heart and blood vessels, hypertension and ischemic diseases, the digestive system, gastritis and peptic ulcer, diabetes mellitus, oncological and nervous mental disease. Trying to stimulate our exhausted forces, we eat more sweets, fatty foods, drink more coffee and strong tea, energy drinks. Trying to relieve tension, we drink alcohol, we smoke. But this only exacerbates stress and depletes even more physical and mental reserves. Excessive amount of coffee and tea. An excess of coffee and tea stimulates the synthesis of dopamine, adrenaline, noradrenaline, cortisol and glucocorticoids, stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, leading, in particular, to an overestimation of dangers and an increase in the level of psychological stress. As a result of chronic stress, supported by the use of caffeine, the activity of the thyroid gland, the immune system, and increased blood pressure are inhibited. Alcohol and stress. Alcohol has only a temporary calming, tranquilizing effect, but generally increases the level of anxiety. In addition, alcohol reduces the level of magnesium in the blood and increases its excretion in the urine, which leads to inflammation, hypertension, diabetes and asthma. Anti-stress diet. Of course, the best thing is to eat a balanced diet. However, apparently, cooking in today's realities for many people has become an activity that they perform automatically. Still, some important components matter. What do we pay attention to? Water. Even mild dehydration makes you feel worse. Complete protein. B vitamins, especially vitamin B6. It is necessary for the synthesis of serotonin and sound sleep. Sources: cabbage, garlic, cereals, nuts. DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. Needed to protect neurons. Sea fish, may be canned, as well as nuts, flax seeds. Probiotics. Needed for the growth of healthy bacteria that affect mood and sleep. Garlic, onion, banana, oats. Vitamins A and C that lower cortisol levels. Marine oily fish, vitamin A, rosehip infusion, green parsley, white cabbage. Magnesium. It has a calming effect, promotes muscle relaxation. Nuts, buckwheat, oats, bran, add to porridge, cocoa. Protein. Helps reduce stress. When a person is under stress, to ensure an adequate response of the body, in particular, the synthesis of many hormones and neurotransmitters, more protein is needed than in the normal state. As a reserve protein, the body begins to use the protein of muscles, skeletal muscles, and internal organs. Therefore, after suffering stress, many people exacerbate chronic diseases. Eggs, soups and borscht in low-fat meat and fish broths, porridge in broths, fish, cottage cheese. Vitamin and multivitamin preparations. During stress, the need for vitamins and minerals increases dramatically, so during this period, if possible, you can take vitamin and multivitamin preparations. Brewer's yeast, sold in a pharmacy, 2 tablets 2-3 times a day. They are a source of easily digestible B vitamins. These vitamins are water-soluble, so an overdose should not be feared. Magnesium combined with vitamin B6. Daily intake of magnesium, 350 to 800 milligrams. Vitamin D. 800, 1000. Vitamins A and E short-term courses, average 2 weeks. Dream. Make the most of your quality sleep. Despite the pain of loss, emotional distress and suffering, we remain alive. First of all, we want to return to our life, with its calmness, everyday stresses, plans and dreams. Yes, we are confused and many are still unable to get together, are in a state of depression and prostration, but the preservation of our own health and those of our loved ones is no less important. We must be strong, balanced, to help those who protect our freedom, our tranquility and our land. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.